Hello, this is Michael with Terry Henricks out here in Archbold, Ohio, here to answer one specific question. What is the ETorque system? We're going to take a look at a 21 Ram 1500 Laramie in order to be able to answer that question. Here is the ETorque system. This is available on all 2019 and newer Ram 1500 models. It is standard on the 3.6 V6 and an available option on the 5.7 Hemi. As you can see, this is a 5.7 Hemi specifically that I'm checking out. The ETorque system is this unit right here, and it is actually more than one system powering your electrical torque boost on the vehicle. So it's actually an alternator and the stop-start technology system, as well as a lithium battery backup, a 48-volt lithium battery backup that will assist you with low-end torque. Now, the stop-start system in this, if you haven't found that information already, the stop-start system is actually a system dedicated specifically to shutting off the engine when you're at a stop to save on fuel and emissions. So definitely a good gas saver option there. And then obviously alternators, you certainly know that charges up the battery while you are running the vehicle. But this battery backup system is specifically designed in order to be able to assist at lower end torque. So when you have a V6 specifically, you are looking at a lot more pulling capacity from a stop. This battery will actually pull and charge up from your engine downshifting. Not necessarily when you're using the brakes, but when you let your engine downshift and slow down on its own, it actually uses a lot of that power that was built up and is being released. It's actually charging up this battery. So again, it's available in the 5.7 Hemis as an option. V6s, this is standard. So this gives you a lot more pulling capacity on torque, quite a bit more available from a stop. Definitely something that you want to save fuel on. Now, you don't necessarily need to be pulling in order for this system to be active, so it definitely gives you fuel no matter what, or fuel efficiency no matter what. But thank you so much for checking this out. This is Michael with Terry Henricks. Again, check out additional videos. Hit subscribe if you like some of this information. Follow us in the future. We'll certainly be posting more videos. Have a good day.